The Olotufore Lawal and Olotu Olowa of Ijebu Ode have formally become members of the Ilamure Body Aristocratic Authority of Ijebu Ode, following the administration of oath of allegiance to their portfolio on the two Ilamure chiefs by the Royal Authority over the Ilamure class, who also double as the Olisa of Ijebu Ode. Olisa Administers Olowa was at the Olisa Palace, venue of the traditional rites of initiation report that with this statutory traditional rites, the two chiefs who were earlier appointed by the immediate past Awujale of Ijebu land, Oba Adetono, are now full-fledged members of Ilamure class. A report.
On arrival at the Olisa of Ijebu Ode Palace, the two traditional chiefs moved to the main palace hall, where they held a closed-door meeting with the Olisa of Ijebu Ode, Abdulrasheed Adesanya. Thereafter, the two chiefs, Olotufore Lawa and the Olotu Olowa of Ijebu Ode, Chief Oloronti Oshifeso, accompanied by the chairman of Awujale Interregnum Administrative Council, Olorogun Soni Kuku, and others, moved to the shrine where the traditional rites known as Ikaje and Eronboje were performed by Olisa. This Ikaje and Eronboje indicated the climax of Ilamure chieftaincy process. It could be recalled that the immediate past Awujale of Ijebu land, Oba Adetono, had appointed the Olotufore of Ijebu Ode and Olotu Olowa of Ijebu Ode before his demise. With this initiation, the two Ijebu Ode chiefs have become full-fledged Ilamure class chiefs who must partake in the installation of the new Awujale. In Ijebu Ode, Olowa NTA News.